Hi viewers, now I am going to make a review on Gamma model number 15 eyedropper model fountain pen, and in this NB nib is fixed, and there is a metallic part in the grip area. The look is really good, and there's a inside the metallic part in the barrel there is a ABS holder, and in the feeder a tube is inserted. So let us check how the pen is writing. Pen now starting. Oh, this gives some scratchy noise, but anyhow the flow is really good. Whenever you fill the ink in the pen, and then continuous flow will be there. Yeah, still I can hear a scratching noise while writing, but nib, if you see, yes, it is good. As I said, during the continuous flow of ink, we can expect a smoother writing. So in this variant there are two colors. One is the blue grip and another one is the gray grip. So two color variants are there in this particular model. Since this is an metal surface pen, we can do engraving on this pen in laser, so it will look nice. If you have any clarifications in this particular pen model number 15, and you can leave us in the comments so we can help you better. Hope this video gave a clear insight on the pen, how it looks. Finally we can fix the pen in the rear, fix the cap in the rear. There is a thread portion in the bottom part, so it will hold the cap really. Yeah, now the pen length becomes very big. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching this video.